This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, XM satellite radio, an intercooled turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a passenger side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Levittown Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 3195 Hempstead Turnpike in Levittown.